Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the essence of a master slide. When do we need a master slide? In which circumstances do we use a master slide? And yeah, that is it basically. So when I get my PowerPoint and then I open it, once it's opened and I need to make some changes, maybe let's say I have my 1 2 3 4 5 slides, and let's say for instance I need to make changes to these slides. A master slide, when I need it, I go to the view icon. When I go to view, there is a normal view, that layout that we have. There is an outline view, there is a slide shooter, note pages, like it appears there, and the reading view. Then we're not interested in others. What we're interested in today is the slide master. Yes, so for our slide master, we shall get to the view icon and come here where it is written slide master. So its essence is that when you need to make changes to all your slides, you use a slide master, like uniform changes to the slides. Not like you see this slide one. In case I want to make a theme color which is similar to all of them, once I put on slide master, when I add the effect to one slide, it applies to all the slides. So basically a slide master is to help us apply effects to all the different slides, like using only the first one, so the changes apply to all those other slides. Thank you so much friends for tuning in. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like and follow for more educative information.